If I get all this, would you possibly take 15 for the Atari games?
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
So sometimes when I find a garage sale ad on Facebook Marketplace, I'll kind of look at the person's commerce profile just to kind of see what kind of stuff they sell and what kind of prices they ask. And well, I found this interesting ad for a garage sale today. Looks like they might have some pretty good stuff, but according to their commerce profile, they're a little high on some things. It doesn't always add up, but it's just something I like to be aware of. So I don't know, we're gonna go check it out anyway and see if we can find anything good. Like always, when we get home, we'll take a look at all of it.
$20 for the theme deck, and then $30 a piece for the V-boxes. Here's some, let me know, I got parts on it, $100 into it. $10 a piece for the top, for the box, for these guys. So those systems in there,
yeah,
there's something wrong with each one. I'm not
sure
is there?
what it is.
That's why I got $30 for the whole box.
Gotcha.
Like that one is like, for some reason, it wasn't power on. The Xbox 360 doesn't read disc for some reason.
Okay.
The DS's work, but they got, I think, one cracked screen on each one.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, man.
No problem. All set, man? I'll do 15. I accept PayPal and Venmo too if you have that.
What are you asking on the Atari games?
25 for the whole set.
For everything? Okay.
Hey, I need my keys. They're upstairs in the bedroom. You can bring them down for me, please.
The car keys?
Yeah. Thank you.
How come? Why?
Because I got my change in the car and I left it in there.
Okay. Meet me at the door.
Love you, bye. Oh, he's getting sorry, he's buying the remote there. He's gonna go get some change.
Oh, this right here?
That right there.
Oh, this, okay,
Yeah,
gotcha.
sorry, man.
Huh?
didn't know if it was.
Oh, so those are what you
Yeah, that's right. No, price.
Oh, 30 for a whole box.
Oh, for the whole box.
No problem. It's in there too. It looks like new, to be honest with you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's okay if I lay some stuff over here.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Is this complete?
No, that one is missing the camera itself. It's
Okay.
just the burner.
Gotcha. If I get all this, would you possibly take 15 for the Atari games?
Yeah, we'll do that. That's
Okay,
fine.
cool.
Yep. $86.
86. Do you happen to have change yet?
Oh yeah, I got change. Yep.
Okay. 100.
100. 14,
Thank
my
you, man.
friend.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
I'm gonna go grab a bag
Yeah,
out of my
definitely.
cart.
Yeah. Take your time. I have it all there for you.
On the carts and stuff, are you pretty much asking retail on those?
Yeah, well, I got 30 on these guys each, 15 on these guys each, 10 on those. Was something you're interested in, or?
No, I just,
Okay.
I mean, I don't know a lot
I'm trying
about
to
them,
stay
but
a little above just cost. Like these guys were normally 20,
Right,
25
yeah.
a piece.
Oh,
on these
yeah.
guys, so yeah.
I don't blame you at all.
Yeah.
I'm just asking.
You came prepared. Was there any other garage sales you know today?
I saw a couple between
of
here and like Greenfield and stuff. So,
You do like videos, like finds on the
Yeah.
GoPro there?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Yeah, I have a little YouTube channel.
That's awesome. What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Froggy Flips.
Froggy Flips.
Mhm.
Check it out.
All right, man. You have a great day.
Yeah,
Thank
take it
you.
easy, man.
I'm gonna grab this too. That
Yeah,
looks
definitely.
interesting. There's one of your
All right,
files
right on.
back. All right, buddy.
Appreciate
Thank you.
Take it easy, man.
Thanks, you too. All right, guys, we're back in the garage. Kind of a fun little garage sale. Maybe a little light, maybe a little niche. It's probably the kind of sale that a lot of people actually try to seek out. A lot of really just kind of collectible, cool stuff there. What it kind of felt like to me was maybe he was some sort of reseller, and this was a bunch of his unsold inventory. I mean, which is cool because there could be a million reasons why certain things didn't sell. It seemed like a lot of stuff was maybe missing parts, missing adapters, missing things in the box. But I did notice that there was some smart pricing, really. There were good deals for people that were just wanting stuff, and if you were a reseller, like possibly a little meat left on the bone. And there could be arguments made about pretty much everything there about why maybe someone should pick it up. Like the video game stuff was priced pretty well. The PS2 with a stack of games for like $65. The little Game Gear with 3 common games with no power adapter was priced at $30. The box of broken consoles at $30 was actually a pretty good deal because a broken GameCube is probably worth more than that. And you probably could have bundled some of it and gotten an even better deal. Even the trading cards, I think he was charging slightly over retail, and perhaps that was still a good deal to make some money on them. For one reason or another, a lot of that stuff just wasn't for me at this point, but I'm pretty happy with the stuff I did pick up. I think I paid $86 total. I think there's quite a bit of room left in that. So real quick, let me show you what I did pick up. Here's an Apple keyboard. I bought this actually for myself for $5. I could really use this with my Mac. $5 is a pretty smoking deal, actually. This was purchased at Goodwill for $2.99, so that's just, there was a lot of stuff that had like old Goodwill tags on it, so that was kind of one of the reasons I thought that maybe he was a reseller. But I was happy to pay $5 for this because that's a good deal. Paid $5 for this binder full of yokai watch medallions. Don't know if there's anything super rare in here. I did see a gold one right there. I think asking prices currently on this one are between like 20 and $30. So possibly with all these and with the binder, you may be able to get close to that or a little more. I definitely think this was a good deal at $5. This is some sort of like CD or DVD set. I don't really know what it is. I just thought it looked interesting, and it was $5. It says A Silk Road Journey, Pearl S. Buck, The Good Earth, with music from the Silk Road. So yeah, I gotta kind of look into this. It's probably not worth a whole lot, but has a nice hardback book in there, and there's the disc right there. So we'll see on that one. I did pick up a few cards for $5 a piece, and I only bought these because they were graded. I really know nothing about cards, but I figured if someone went through the trouble of getting them graded, I mean, that would cost more than the $5 right there. So I think 3 of these are graded by Beckett at 8.5 right here, and this one, this 2000 Donruss Chris Chandler golf card is Jim Mint 9.5. I'm sure the guy did his research and these aren't worth a fortune, but I figured I would just buy them because they were graded and probably tuck them in a drawer somewhere for a later day. You never know. There's Chris Chandler, Jevon Kearse, Sean King, and Tim Couch. Grabbed a bag of horses and knights. It was marked at $3. This is a little Schleich knight right here, and these are all detail horses and knights and soldiers. All those little action figures are usually pretty good pickups because they lot up pretty well. I'd be surprised if I couldn't get at least 20 or 25 for all these right here. So that's pretty cool for $3. Little Rick and Morty action figure. Just thought it was kind of cute. Here's another bag of action figures. I think this one was either $1 or $2. I don't know what these guys are, but the feet say Cartoon Network. So if anyone recognizes these, let me know. If not, I'll just Google lens them later. Just haven't gotten around to it yet. There's that guy. There's another one. And there's the last one. So, what did I pay for that? That was $3 too. And then there were a few toys that I picked up for the kids that you won't see in this haul either. Grabbed this old Mortal Kombat movie CD for $1. I just figured since the new movie came out, definitely couldn't hurt to pick up this old format movie for $1. Paid $10 for this Blitz RC 6-channel RC flight simulator. I just always do well with flight simulator stuff, so I figured why not. It's pretty clean inside the box too. There's a stack of Atari games. He wanted $25 for all of them. At the end there, got down to $15. Mario Brothers here is the one I really wanted. This can sell for between like 25 and 30 bucks plus shipping. That's the money back plus profit. I really love Mario Brothers, and I've never owned the Atari version, so might end up keeping this one. We'll see. Who knows though? Donkey Kong Jr. for the 7800, another $10 to $15 game. There's a Coleco Donkey Kong. I think that's a $5 or $10 game. And then there's a Warlords cartridge, Combat still in the box, and Defender still in the box. These I'll probably just lot up. I do have a couple systems over there. Maybe I'll lot these with the system, so they'll help sell it. But yeah, it's not bad to pick all these up for 15 bucks. I really like that one. Super cool. $5, got this little Nostromo N52 gaming pad keyboard thing. I've seen these sell for between like 25 and 50 bucks. This one's pretty clean, very good shape, so I'm gonna try for probably 30 to 40 on that. And then this thing here was kind of a gamble that paid off. It's a Videonics digital video mixer. Kind of thing I don't pick up a lot anymore, but it just kept kind of calling to me because it deals with video, and I just thought it was kind of neat. Didn't have a power cable or anything. He was asking 10 bucks on it. And it turns out that these in good working condition can sell for like $300 plus. So that's pretty incredible. And then even for parts, untested for parts, broken, whatever, can sell for almost 100 bucks. Even over 100 bucks sometimes. I think people might use them for like circuit bending projects and stuff like that. So I mean, $100 to $300 is definitely a score when you pay 10 bucks for it. It'd be silly not to put a little bit of time into it and try to find an adapter and just do a little testing. I did a little research on how to test it. It doesn't seem too hard to just kind of make sure that most of the functions work. So I'll probably do that. But I mean, worst case, we're looking at 100 bucks if I want to wait a little bit for the right buyer. And then probably 50 would get it out the door automatically. So not a bad little pickup. All right, so like I said, could have went crazy there, could have picked up a lot more, but I'm super happy with what I got. I left stuff for other people. I was not stingy. But as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.